Hi guys, this is Nash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss how to split the column in Power BI using the DAX. And for this purpose, we would be using the four functions: find, right, left, and len function. So first of all, we check all these functions. So first of all, the find. So find function, it returns the position of the text which you want to search in the other text. So as you can see the syntax, the first parameter is the find text. It means the text which you want to search. Then the second parameter within the text. It means this is the text where you want to search the subtext. Then third parameter, the starting position, from where you want to starting the searching. Then the fourth one, the not found value. In case if the text not found, then you can mention some value here. In example, you can see in the find, then image. So we are searching the image and the lotus image. Second parameter, it means we are searching the image in the lotus image. So we get the result sixth position. As you can see in the table, a unique number has been assigned to each letter. Say L for 1, O for 2, T for 3 in sequencing. So sixth position, image. This is so this image is on the sixth position. That's why we get the sixth number. The next one is the left function. The left function returns the specified number of characters from the start of the text string. It means it picks up the text from the left side with the number specified. So as you can see in the syntax, left, then find text. And second is the number of characters. It means how many characters you want to pick from the left sides. In the example, you can see the left and the lotus image and the 5. It means we are taking out the 5 characters from the left sides. As you can see in the table, the character from the left side, 5 characters, this is the lotus. So result is the lotus. So next is the right function. The right function extract the text from the right side or extract the character from the right side. In the syntax you can see right, then text, find text and number of characters. In the example you can see the right, then lotus image 5. It means we are taking out the 5 characters from the right side. So we have the image. The answer is image. The 5 characters from the right side. The len function. The len function, it counts the number of characters in the text. Say as you can see in the syntax, len, then the text. Example, len, lotus image. So length is the 10 characters. Now, how to split the column in Power BI using the DAX? So as you can see in the diagram, in the left side we have the data, EMP name, and we have the first name, last name, Ken Ming, Terry Fernandez, Robert Milo, and Rob Tide. And the first name and the last name has been divided by the space. We would be using the two functions, left and find. In the left, we have second parameter as the find. So as you can see, so we can check this one the step by step. Step 1. First of all, we are finding the space. So we have a table. In this table, each character, each letter is having a position. Say K is 1, E2 and 3. So the space is on the fourth position in Ken Ming. Second step, we have mentioned 4 minus 1. Why? Because we want to pick the 3 character from the left side, not including the space. That's why we have mentioned the minus 1 here. In third step, then Ken Ming left 3 characters. 3 characters from the left side, and the result is the K. The important thing is we are using the let function. Within the let function, after the comma, we are using the find function. It means as a second parameter for the let function. This find function will return the position of this space. So important thing is the innermost function, means the find function, will execute first. Okay, now we will check this one in the practical. Now as you can see, we have the data EMP name, Ken Ming, Terry Fernandez, Robert Milo, Rob Type. So we have to split this column. We have to take out the first name and the last name. Okay, so new column. first name, then left, text, emp name, name of column, then comma, find. And what to find? Space find. Then emp name. Then -1. Okay. Execute this function. So you can see we have the result. And from the emp name, in the first name column, we have the Ken. From the Terry Fernandez, we have the Terry, then Robert Milo, then the Robert. Now we will check how to take out the last name from the emp name using the write function. So as you can see in the syntax, we are using the write function, and within the write function, we are using the another two functions, the len and the find function, as a parameter. So as you can see the table, each characters has been assigned a position number, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So step 1, find space. We are finding the space. Suppose it's a Kenming, so space is on the 4th position. Step 2, then write Kenming, the value, then length. This is the length. The length of Kenming is the 8 character. In third step, 8 minus 4, that is it comes to 4. Now write function, in the step 4, the write function can make the 4 characters. It means it will take out the 4 characters from the right side, and the answer is Ming. So let us do a practical how to take out the last name by splitting the column. New column, then last name, then write emp name, then comma, len function, emp name, then minus, then find function, find, then comma, emp name. I execute this one. So you can see in the emp name, Ken Ming, the last name Ming, Terry Fernandez, then that is the Fernandez, Robert Milo, and last name the Milo. So this way you can use the dex function for splitting the column. So guys, this was all about the how to split the column using the dex. Thanks for watching the video.